Hello, I'm Lish Vasquez, Dining Services Director at Glencroft Center for Modern Aging. And today on your Zoe TV show, we are going to make the tilapia dinner. So what we're gonna start off with is I got a 6-ounce fillet of tilapia. I've got some zucchini chopped here. And I have some already steamed quinoa, pre-made ahead. I have some lemons, and I've got some red bull's blood for garnish. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with our fish. I already had my pan getting hot. So the fish goes in a hot pan. You'll want it to go in a hot pan so you can hear that sizzling. That means it was hot enough, so it makes a complete sear when the skin or the flesh of the fish hits the pan. If you don't have a non-stick pan, just make sure you use enough olive oil to keep this fish from sticking. Make sure you keep it kind of moving around with the oil underneath. Keep it going. You're gonna wanna cook each side about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Until it's fully cooked through. It'll be at 145 is the temperature you're going for to be fully cooked. There we go. Another sign you know fish is done when its flesh starts to begin to flake away. Looks like we are about there. So we are going to turn down the heat and transfer to our plate. So we're going to start off with our zucchini. Now you can either leave it plain. If you want to add Mrs. Dash, you can add a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic, however you want to do this. You can also sub any vegetable side. You don't have to stick to zucchini. You could do broccoli if you really want to. There we go. Just how I want it. Ready to serve this alongside the fish. Okay. We're gonna take our red bull's blood here. Just put a little bit right there. And that is our tilapia dinner. I'm Lish Vasquez, Dining Services Director at Glencroft Center for Modern Aging. Just because it's healthy doesn't mean it doesn't taste good. Thank you, bye-bye.